Hi everyone, welcome to TGIF, another Friday, another episode. In the last few months, we've seen significant elevation to the day in the life of a developer, right? That means today you don't have to be sweating to write code. You magically can delegate tasks to an agent, and we'll see how that happens today. And to do that, let me welcome Shrikant and Shankaran for a short conversation. Srikantan, welcome to TGI.
Nice.
It's been a while since we spoke.
Yeah, true.
Awesome. So, Srikantan, we'll make it real, right? No, I know you're an agent boss. For us at the Innovation Hub, that means you basically have built a few agents. As a business user, I have a feature request for you today, right? We'll see that application and feature request, and I want you to basically build a feature live. You basically have been using agent mode in VS Code for a long time, and you tell me that you hardly write code these days,
True, yeah.
and we want to see it in action. But before that, Srikantan, quickly introduce Agent I for all of us.
So, Agent I is this solution that we have deployed at the lobby of Innovation Hub premises. The idea being that we want to, in real time, take snapshot of what's happening at the lobby and then use generative AI to reason over that and then tailor the scenario for different use case and domain verticals. For example, the one that I'm going to show you through is about AI first banking, where you have customers waiting at the lobby, and then when you see people of who need physical assistance or you see children, then probably you want to immediately notify the branch manager, and this agent does that. Okay, so we opened up multiple scenarios for different verticals, and one that is in question now is the AI first banking.
Tell us a little bit about the technical building blocks of the solution.
Oh yeah, so actually we have a front layer which is comprised of built using React.
Okay.
It is a web-based component which takes a frame. That's an RTSP frame from the inside the network, which it reads, and then it uses OpenCV to actually get the frames from it.
Okay.
And then it hands off to a backend which is going to take that frame and then call generative AI. And then we have instructions which are sent to the generative AI model to analyze it from the domain perspective and then come back with a response. So these are the parts: React JS component, a fast API Python backend using RTSP stream, using FFmpeg, and then using OpenCV to extract frames.
So considering AI first bank, the scenario is like this. Imagine I'm the branch manager. I want to be notified if there is a senior citizen walking in. Not just that, a senior citizen with a walking stick, or even anybody for that matter, situational disability, people with walking stick or people, children, I want to be notified. So while the agent is keeping an eye on the lobby of a bank, it alerts me as a branch manager, right? Let's see that how it happens.
Yeah, in fact, you just saw that a person with a walking stick just walked in. Yes, momentarily we should get the alert. So let's just wait for it. Yeah, there you go.
Awesome. So what does the alert say, Srikantan?
Yeah, it just says that we have a customer who's having a walking stick. Probably they need assistance. Just go and accost them and meet them, and then sort of help is required, and then serve them.
Awesome. Wonderful. So here's my requirement, right? I'm just thinking through. Now, you show me history in terms of all the snapshots taken through the day.
Yeah.
As a business, I'm curious how many times people walk into my branch with such requirements for assistance, and I should be able to see it and also ask. And when I do that, I want the same caption to be made part of that particular snapshot. Now I don't see that yet, right? Can you add that feature? That's the feature. Imagine a change request coming your way as a business. So I want you to add that feature right in. Challenge?
Sure. Okay. Yeah, sure. Let's go ahead and do that. So what you see here is the AI scene inside, which has a different caption from what we saw in the alert message. This is less detailed, so I want to incorporate based on what you just said. So now let me take you to VS Code here, and I'm just going to momentarily stop the application. Okay, and then I'm going to ask message you generated. I could see a detailed description of the scene there.
Yeah.
But the AI scene insights seems to have a different description when relegated to the frame history.
Wonderful.
Can you make changes so that the detailed description gets captured as a part of the frame history?
Wonderful.
Okay, so now I'm just waiting for my agent to I can probably take pick up a cup of coffee probably. It doesn't take that long. It should momentarily be done.
See, this is the beauty. You delegated this task, which I give a change request off to your agent, which is using Cloud Opus
4.6, the latest.
4.6. Great. And yes, it's coding to glory right now, and it understands the larger context. And yeah, I mean, mine is a random request. By the way, for audience, I just thought through a feature request, and it was not planned. And he took a challenge, and agent is working on his behalf. Let's see what outcome we see as part of this exercise. And we'll have to again look at the camera feed and see if there's a person with walking stick right there. The frame history should contain the same caption. We'll see that.
Okay, so now it has identified the shortcoming.
Okay.
And then it says, hey, I think I need to go to XYZ places to make certain changes. It is in the process of doing all of that. It has created 2 to-dos, by the way. It's an agent. It needs to plan what it needs to do and then goes about checking off each as and when it accomplishes them. Wonderful. And momentarily, I think it should be ready with the whole thing.
Awesome. Awesome. See, this is the best part, right? I mean, imagine the life of a developer right now.
Oh, it's even, yeah.
Right? You delegate a task and you can focus on, you know what, probably the next feature request in terms of how do you want that to be manifested. Right? It's almost, you know, the multitasking is a new meaning in the AI world, right? So
sure.
Awesome. It's done?
Yes. So I think it seems to have done it. So now I'm going to wipe code here. I'm not really checking code what it has written. So I'm sort of, I have faith in it. So I've restarted the backend. Let me also start the front end just in case.
Yeah.
And let me start the stream once again.
Wonderful.
And yeah, so we have a gentleman there with the walking stick. So it's going to take a couple of seconds before the counter resets, and then that's when it takes a snapshot based on how it is done here. Yeah.
Oh, alert came in now.
The alert has come in now. I acknowledge and dismiss this.
Okay.
So now when I go down to this, so you see that a detailed description from the thing has been picked up.
Awesome, awesome. This is fabulous. I think the feature request is given just in time, and you could basically, you know, bake that feature into the full-fledged running application.
So
I think this is the power of agent, power of, I would not say wipe coding. There's a power of your thinking, applying that logic, and delegating the task onto the agent. And agent did a fabulous job of implementing that feature. Srikandan, thank you so much. It was a fabulous demonstration.
Thanks so much.
So for all viewers, this is a day in the life of a developer. The power of AI being lit up every day for every developer, and that's the future. Thanks for watching. Keep watching TGIF. A wonderful Friday and a great weekend ahead. Bye-bye.
Bye.